Hello there. What if we told you that Zoho Creator lets you create preset elements within pages and use it across applications in your account? Now that's a time-saving move, right? In this video, we'll tell you how it's done. A panel is an element on a page that contains and displays static and dynamic information in the form of texts, numbers, images, and clickable buttons. Zoho Creator lets you configure this dynamic information displayed on a panel, convert them as presets, and use the configuration across applications. For demonstration, let's take the case of an order management app. This dashboard displays different information related to order placement and management. We need a panel displaying the number of orders placed on the current day. This is the order form, and let's create a panel based on the order submissions done through this form. Since the panel needs to display the current day's orders, let's add a date field to the form. Keep the current date as the default value and make it visible only to the admin. Next, go to the page builder. Drag and drop any one of the panel templates. Choose the number element and click the Display tab. This is where the existing presets will be listed. We need the count of all the order submissions of the day. Choose Count and the order form. Next, give a criterion. The date field equals today. Since the configuration is ready, let's click Create Preset. Name it based on how this preset needs to be displayed across applications as one of the built-in presets. Any changes made to the configuration will be reflected across all the pages where it's used. Now, let's customize the display name and style of all the panel elements for this app. These design-level customizations won't affect the preset. Also, ensure to publish the newly created preset in the production environment. Now, let's see how to use this on another page. This is an inventory app. Let's access the editor and create a panel named Today's Orders. Drag and drop the panel element. On the right, choose Built-in Preset. It lists down the available presets of the current app. Since we need the preset created from another app, click Change App. Choose the app from where the panel preset was created. The panel configuration changes to that of the preset chosen. All the details of the preset are shown on the right. Further, you can customize the display and style of the preset like a regular panel element. The page builder allows you to include additional texts, images, and buttons to the preset and customize them. That's it. In this way, create panel presets that are needed across multiple apps to improve efficiency and eliminate repetitive setups. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to learn more about Zoho Creator and press the bell icon to get notified whenever a new video releases. Thanks for watching.